Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to block AutoCAD from accessing the internet. This method is intended for controlling application network access and should be used in accordance with the software's official terms and policies. First, go to the Windows search bar on your computer. Type Windows Firewall and open it from the results. Once it opens, look to the left side and click on Advanced Settings. This will open a new window called Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Now, focus on the left panel again and click on Outbound Rules. After that, go to the right side and click on New Rule. A setup wizard will appear. Select Program as the rule type, then click Next. Now you need to choose the program path. Select this program path and click on Browse. Go to the C drive or the drive where your Windows is installed. Open the Program Files folder, then find the Autodesk folder and open it. Inside, locate the AutoCAD folder with your version year. Open it and look for the file named AutoCAD.exe. Select it and click Open. Click Next. On the next screen, choose Block the connection, then click Next again. It will ask when this rule applies. Make sure all options are selected, then click Next. Now enter a name for the rule, for example, AutoCAD block, then click Finish. After this, repeat the same steps, but this time select Inbound Rules instead of Outbound Rules. Once both rules are created, AutoCAD will no longer be able to access the internet. Thanks for watching.